Hey there, everybody. I am going to talk to you about one of my new favorite EduProtocols from my friend Mr. Carr. It is called Research and Rank. So check this out.
All right, so if you go to sethponder.com, you're going to find some links to my favorite EduProtocols. And if you don't know what EduProtocols are, well, first of all, they are just instructional lesson frames that can be used for any class, any grade, any subject. And it just builds some critical thinking, collaborations, communications, creativity, those 4 C's that we love so much. And this one, especially Research and Rank, is great on collaboration and communication. So, this is what it looks like. First of all, my friend, Mr. Carr, he did this at the EduProtocols Academies in Laguna Beach and Notre Dame this past summer. And all we did was we named it, described it, categorized it, and linked it. And you're like, well, what's the it? So the it was, at the time, we got a slide that gives you some basic instructions. We were talking about like things to do around town. So you go here, you go to the Google form, and like things to do near the academy. So food, attraction. So you can change this, and you can change this, and you can change, of course, things to do. So, and then what we did was everybody had viewing access to the Google Sheet. So step 1 or phase 1 is research. Phase 2 is rank it with collaborations from all of our peers. And so every student then got their own slide, and we ranked the things to do around town. After we ranked them, and we did it on our own, we talked to our neighbors about, oh, hey, what'd you have? What'd I have? Why'd I put this here? This is why I put that there. So this is how I used it in my classes. I simply just changed things to do with, and then we're doing this at the beginning of the year for some like research on like aerospace engineering. So they're going to name it, describe it, categorize it, and link it. So the same things. But we're going to focus on like things like careers, colleges, trades, militaries, and businesses that work in aerospace. They're given about 12 minutes or so to do that. And then we're going to use the spreadsheet that they created from the Google form, and then pick a slide over here, right? Same looking slide. And they're gonna rank their top 5 based off of interest with themselves. Darn bell system. Here's how I changed it for another class, like Intro to Electrical Engineering or Digital Electronics. All I did was change the title, as you saw, and I changed a couple of the categories that are inside of here. And so the categories are there now. So some slight changes, which is the whole thing with EduProtocols. You can kind of use the same template and just do some slight changes. Now, most students used Google to find some answers, but with this class, they decided to try using ChatGPT. So as you can see, we asked it, list some jobs with electrical or electrical tech, and it came up with these. Then we were like, hey, list some jobs in the South Bend area where we live. And it came up with these. And then we said, name some companies. And all of a sudden, it came up with some very nice local jobs.
So you can do this kind of research and rank with all kinds of things, from career research to subject research to character analysis and ranking there. We would love to hear in the comments how you would use or do use research and rank.